Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TD Ameritrade for risk controls and workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.tdameritrade.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login screen. You will be prompted to enter your user ID in the designated field. Type your user ID carefully, ensuring there are no typos. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Confirm that the caps lock is not accidentally turned on, as passwords are case sensitive. After entering your credentials, look for the login button beneath the password field. Click on the login button to proceed. If your user ID and password are correct, you will be directed to your TD Ameritrade account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the menu options on the left side of the screen. Locate and click on the Client Services tab for additional account options. In the Client Services drop-down, find the Risk Controls section. Click on Risk Controls to review and adjust your account settings as necessary. Here you can set various limits and alerts to manage your trading activities. To explore workflows, return to the main dashboard. Look for the Trade or Analyze tab at the top of the screen. Click on the Trade tab to access your trading workflows. In this section, you can view your order history and open orders. To initiate a new trade, select the Trade button from the Trade panel. Follow the prompts to set up your trade parameters including symbols, quantity, and order type. Once you've configured your trade, review the details carefully. When ready, click the Preview Order button to verify all information. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your trade. After confirming everything is correct, click the Place Order button to complete your transaction. For further assistance, refer to the Help Center available on the TD Ameritrade website. This center offers a wealth of resources for managing risk controls and workflows effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.